What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Nick. This is Thomas.
Today we're breaking down 3 different water systems that we use on our off-roading, camping, and overlanding adventures. So stay tuned.
They're simple, they're affordable, each one has its own strengths and weaknesses.
First up, we've got the classic 7-gallon container. You can pick this up at your local Walmart, buy it online, whatever. No strings attached, super simple, super cheap.
It's dead simple, basically indestructible. Man, is it a pain to get it out every time you get to camp, and trying to control the actual water flow out the front. You know, you're constantly tilting to get water out of it, everything. It's just, it has its pros and cons.
It's a great simple system. It's not really our go-to anymore at this point. We've got better systems, but it is still a good backup.
This is the Hart 5-gallon system. This is my replacement to the old 7-gallon system. It is a 20-volt battery. It also runs on 20 volts. It just has a little power. It pressurizes, and it's got this nice faucet to shoot stuff, so it's pretty good.
Yeah. It's been super convenient at camp. You and I think your parents have used it time and time again, and I believe you guys all bought that at a really good price when Walmart was having some super sale. Unfortunately, they picked up on it and you know, like skyrocketed the price on it. But then super convenient, and the only downside I can think is it is a couple of gallons less than our 7-gallon container, but it's still a fantastic product.
But still, for the price that we got it for from Walmart, it's very convenient, and it really punches above its weight class. It's a little somewhat easier to carry because it's a couple gallons less, and it's all pump, everything all right here, fits behind the seat, good to go.
So our third system is a little more involved than the prior two. It's not buy it and make it work. It is still using our 7-gallon container. However, I have modified my Bronco slightly to have a custom water system. It involves, like I said, the 7-gallon container you can buy at Walmart, super cheap, a 12-volt pump, some tubing, and a sprayer along with some other hose, and I've been very happy with it so far.
So with building your own system, it's very beneficial. He's got a quick disconnect, so it's an easy setup. Once we get to camp, just plug in and go. It's great for dishes, washing your hands off. It has really great water pressure, and it's just been real convenient since he's installed this.
The only downside I can really think of is that it is basically permanently mounted inside my Bronco, and I can't really remove it and carry it to a certain location anymore. However, it does have a very long stream, and I've still been very happy with it. That's the only downside I can think of.
So what's the best setup? Honestly, it just depends.
If you want simplicity and something to be affordable, go with your 7-gallon container at any Walmart. If you want something kind of middle of the road, it's still a fantastic product. You can pick it up and go, and it has pressure, go with the Hart system. If you want something with probably the most capacity and still great pressure, but it's permanently mounted, I say try to put together your own DIY system.
Let us know in the comment what kind of water system you run when you get to camp, or if you've even built something cooler.
And if you want a breakdown of what my DIY water system is, just let us know in the comments. We can definitely make a quick video for that. Please don't forget, we're still a small channel. Like, subscribe, recommend us to your friends, all that awesome stuff. We really appreciate it.
And I think I said it in the last video, I think we've decided we don't have a lot of merch, you know, but maybe when we get to 500 subscribers, we're going to pick 1 or 2 people. So again, if you're one of the OGs, one of our first people, you know, now you can be cool like us. And then if you come visit us while we're camping, you can wear the shirt and I'll be ready to go. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Bye. Sorry about your phone.
It's fine. It's fine. You know, it's fucking, oh, it's broke.